What is metal polishing?
Metal polishing, taking less metal off as you can of the casting and creating a smooth, silky finish.
Okay. Is it always the same finish?
No,
Okay.
you got there's actually a rough finish where you just like taking off a gate and parting lines. Then you got a belted finish where you just belt it all over, anywhere from say a 36 grip belt all the way down to a 500 grip belt. But then you got a mirror chrome finish, which requires like it here, which leads up, starts out with a 240 belt to a 500 grip belt. Then it gets buffed to a mirror shine.
What's the difference between grinding versus polishing?
Well, grinding, you take off quite a bit of metal, okay? And, really, you got to watch what you're doing, but you take it down, quite a bit of it. But polishing, you want to hold the contour and take off as less metal as possible.
Okay. So you may use the grinding like you had mentioned for, getting gates and risers down to where you need to if it's not done on the machining side. Whereas polishing may be more of that finessing where you're trying to get a little bit less of the material off and really taking that larger chunk of the gate down.
Yeah, it's more like an art. You want to watch what you're doing and be careful, and because if you take too much, you can't put it back.
Okay. Good point. Good point.